AI is huge in design now, and just being implemented in the back end of construction, project management wise, which is kind of interesting. I haven't dove into AI because I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm afraid to go down a rabbit hole and then some person in another country all of a sudden has my bank information.
Well, that would suck.
I had gone on to one. Trey's laughing at us. It's fine. I had gone on to one, and it was like this. I don't remember the name of it, but I was playing around with floor plans, right? I wanted to do this new house floor plan, and I just wanted to see what the AI program would do because it was new. And I did my matrix, and I said, I want my kitchen next to the dining room, and I want a great room, and I want 4 bedrooms, and I want a 3-car garage, and these are the rooms that I want all of these next to. I want a hallway that's this wide, blah, blah, blah. And every single time it put the garage in the middle of the house, and you'd have to get through a 3-foot door to get to the garage.
That's bizarre.
Every single time. And then that was the free version. And so to get the paid version to do a 30-day trial or whatever, it took me to this other app to log in that seemed to have no relation to that AI app. And I was just trying to create a login, and it had 50 million questions, and then it kept bouncing around, and I was like, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing.
I don't know.
I'm done.
That sounds kind of fishy.
It seemed fishy, but apparently that's the thing.
That's it. That's how it goes.
I don't know.
Yeah.
So that's the biggest change, I think, in our industry right now is just integrating AI. I was talking to another designer, and she shared with me her 3D rendering that she did with AI, and you just give it, the description of the room style, the colors, what you want in the room, and how you want it to design, and there's specific prompts that you can give it to create your rendering. They do look very realistic, but you still have pillows floating in the ether things like that. So it's going to come along quite a ways, and it may even replace Pinterest in a way, because we use Pinterest for visions for clients and styles and tones and things like that. And we put our vision boards together and have meetings about it. But if we can then go to AI and say, this is their style, this is what we want.
Blend all this together kind of thing.
Then we could create vision rooms to talk about vision with our clients from day one instead of going to Pinterest.
At what point, though, does that take the designer away from the design? I
could see it doing it pretty rapidly, but then you still have to source the materials. Yeah. You still have to do all that. You still have to draw out how it's going to be built. You still have to detail it out. So it can't take that away. I don't think.
Maybe not right now.
I know.
Ugh, it's scary.
I know.
I don't like it.
I know. But could you imagine a robot building your house or putting your plumbing in?
Nope. Seems like it's inevitable at some point, though.
I don't know. You still have that human factor, of troubleshooting and problem solving. And like I said before, everything well planned is going to have modifications needed. Yeah. So does that robot now make his own modifications? Or her?
No. Very well could.
Sketchy.
Yeah.
I'm still a firm believer that, God, what's that movie?
Terminator.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh,
no, but instead of all the robots from Terminator, it's going to be all the Teslas.
Just all going to show up at our house.
I know.
Oh my gosh.
That's what goes on in my head. It's fine.